In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new credit card account in QuickBooks Online, specifically designed to help you streamline your accounting process. Whether you're just getting started with QuickBooks or looking to enhance your current setup, this guide will aid in efficiently managing your financial data. So let's dive right in. First things first, if you don't have a QuickBooks account yet, navigate to QuickBooks website and sign up for an account. It's essential to start with an account to access all the tools and resources available. If you've already got an account, simply click on the sign in button for QuickBooks Online. Once you're on the sign in page, proceed by entering your account details, then click on Continue. Make sure to enter your password when prompted and click on Continue again to advance. Now that you are logged in, you will need to choose the appropriate company file. This ensures that the financial information is related to the correct business entity, especially if you manage multiple accounts. After selecting, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is your home base where you can overview your finances at a glance. Next, look towards the settings. Here, you can control and customize many aspects of your accounting. Click on the settings icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Chart of Accounts. This will lead you to a comprehensive list of your current accounts, each representing different assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. At this stage, click on New Account to initiate the setup of your credit card account. In the Account Type drop-down menu, select Credit Card. This categorization is key. Choosing the correct account type impacts how transactions are recorded and reported. Following this, you'll want to select a detail type. For most credit card accounts, the credit card detail type will be appropriate. Nonetheless, ensure this matches the specific type of card you are using for clarity in your records. It's time to name your credit card account. Enter a descriptive name that you'll easily recognize, such as the card issuer's name and card type. Say Chase Visa or Company MasterCard. This naming convention can prevent any confusion later when reviewing your statements or accounts. If your credit card already has a balance, you have the option to enter an opening balance along with the as of date to mirror what is in the real account. This step is optional, but it's useful for maintaining accurate starting data within your records. Finally, click on either Save and Close if you've finished adding accounts, or Save and New if you have additional accounts to set up. And that's it! Your credit card account is now set up in QuickBooks Online. This efficient process ensures your financial management is up to date and accurate. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next guide.